Assalamu alaikum viewers, this is Atif Rahman with another episode of Twin Cooking on Twin TV with one of the twins, Mukarram Ahur Ali. So today we will be learning how to make restaurant style chickpea salad or Channa Chatt, one of another very easy to make recipes. So come on in and let's see the ingredients. So for this we will need about half kg of boiled chickpeas, 1 chopped tomato, 1 chopped onion, about 2 small boiled potatoes, salt to taste, 1 full lemon, some green chilies, some green coriander leaves, imli, green cabbage, and Channa Chatt masala. So now let us start off. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. We'll add the tomatoes, some promenades, potatoes, chopped onion. Now do use the Channa Chatt masala. I do recommend it. It makes it good. It tastes very, very good. So and we're only going to add about 2 tablespoons of imli. And now we will just add 1 entire lemon water into this. Now when I was boiling the chickpeas, I did add some salt into the water. So now I'm just adding a little bit more salt, like about half teaspoon. But you can obviously adjust it according to your taste. Now after adding the green chilies, we will mix it. So now we are going to mix it. Now, when mentioning the ingredients, I forgot to mention the addition of the pomegranate. So just take about 1.5 tablespoons, and that should make it taste very, very good. So do try that out. And so now, as you can see, we are finished mixing the salad. I will just add some more cut round tomatoes for garnishing. And now, inshallah, our delicious chickpea salad is now complete. Again, do try out the Channa Chatt masala in it. It will add the extra taste. So let us try it out. Alright viewers, so we have finished our chickpea salad. As you saw, it was a very, very easy recipe to do it. Anyone can make it. So let us try it out. Bismillahi wa ala barakatillah. Subhanallah, subhanallah. Again, the Channa Chatt masala really brings in the taste. Try it out. Leave a comment below if you have tried it. And if there's any other recipes that you want me to make, please leave a comment for that as well. And inshallah, in one of my future videos, I will make that for you. Until next time, take care. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Atif Rahman, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and share it with everyone you know. Plus, don't hesitate to leave a comment below and press the bell icon button so you can get up-to-dates on all of our new videos every single day. I can't wait to see you next time on my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.